Praise the Lord, prophet of the Lord.
Praise the Lord, Joanne. The Lord has spoken with me it's very, very extensively. Lord has spoken with me regarding the stress of this hour. And these are the signs that are inscribed in the Bible regarding the coming of the Messiah. Again, the Lord has spoken with me very extensively in about 5 major conversations this night, including this morning. And the Lord has spoken about stress that is coming to visit the earth, the face of the earth. There is a very severe earthquake that is coming, and I see that earthquake take place. I see buildings and pillars broken, and some people even fall off the stories of the building. They fall off the high places, the tall buildings, and people fall. I see a lady that falls and dies. I thought she was a Chinese. I see as though she's a Chinese lady. She falls and dies. And several other people also struggling to hold on to the earthquake, the building, when the earthquake is shaking the buildings. And I see a lot of rubble following the earthquake. And in that nation, I see a lot of sexual sin. And there is a film industry, a big film company, the big film companies in that industry, in that nation, and the film industry has movies of sexual sin. The Lord has shown me a lot of movies of sexual sin, the reason for which the Lord is bringing the earthquakes. Again, I see a major earthquake visit the face of the earth. And in that earthquake, I see light-skinned people affected in that country, and falls off the building and dies from the top, from the upper stories of the building, and dies. And I see the pillars that are broken and people are sliding off, falling from top. It was a tremendous situation. And this is what it will be when the words of my tongue come to pass, when they come to fulfillment. And I see at one point there is also leadership. There is leadership, the wife to the president in that country. I can see her. She has curly hair, long hair, I can see. And the Lord shows me the need for that nation to repent from sexual immorality. And this nation is a nation of light-skinned people, white-skinned, light-skinned. And I see a huge film industry that's very established. It's a movie industry, and their movies have a lot of sexual sin. And so the Lord is asking the nations of the earth at this hour to obey His oracles, to obey His requirements. And the nations of the earth may repent and prepare the way for the coming of the Messiah. In the book of Matthew, Matthew chapter 24, verse 7. Lord, when he confided in the church and revealed to the church the signs of the time, the signs that would mark the days right prior to his return, the Lord said that there would be famines and earthquakes in various places. So there is going to be a massive earthquake visit the earth, and it is going to happen soon. The Lord spoke with me 5 times, including about less than 1 hour ago. And these are devastating. I see a nation of light-skinned people. May those who have ears listen to the words of the Lord. The Messiah is coming, and we are in the dying minutes. Dying minutes in the spiritual sense. Even as the Bible says that nobody knows the day or the hour. However, the signs we can see, the signs that tell us that surely time is over and the church needs to prepare. Shalom.